The JetFlux Pressure Washer is one of those gadgets that you simply attach to a standard garden hose, and it promises to make cleaning your home or car easier than ever. The marketing talks a lot about hydropower technology and shows pictures of spotless driveways, patios, and cars, giving the impression that it can tackle any dirt, moss, or stains instantly. It's advertised as safe for all surfaces and as a tool that can save you both time and money compared to hiring professional cleaners. In reality, while it can help with light dirt and dust, it's not going to replace a professional pressure washer. Garden hoses just don't generate the same pressure as electric or gas-powered washers, so if you're dealing with caked-on grime, stubborn stains, or heavy moss, you'll probably still need a stronger machine. The JetFlux works best for small, quick jobs rather than deep cleaning projects. The company also emphasizes cost savings, claiming you won't need expensive equipment or professional services. That's partially true. It is cheaper than renting or buying a full pressure washer. However, because it doesn't deliver the same cleaning power, you might find yourself going over the same area multiple times, using more water, and spending more time than expected. Looking at reviews online, there's a mix of experiences. Some people are happy with it for light cleaning, but many others mention weak performance, cheap materials, broken parts, or poor packaging. A few reviewers even note that the instructions can be confusing and that some of the marketing images might not reflect real results. On the pricing side, similar devices can be found for just a few dollars online, so the JetFlux is definitely on the higher end compared to its actual cost. You do get a product when you buy it, so it's not a scam, but it's fair to say it's heavily hyped. In short, the JetFlux Pressure Washer can be useful if you just need to rinse off light dirt or freshen up surfaces, but it won't match the performance of a professional-grade washer. Quality is hit or miss, and results are often underwhelming if you expect it to tackle tough cleaning jobs. If you're considering buying one, it's best to go in with realistic expectations. It's convenient for small tasks, but don't rely on it for heavy-duty cleaning.